Hi, I am Sundar Narayana. I am a diabetic and I take medicine regularly. And I am on about 4 or 5 different tablets that I need to take during the day. I sometimes forget to take, not regular, and I can't afford to be irregular on my medication. So my Easy Med app, I believe, is an app that will help me and achieve this objective, take my medicine on time and also monitor the quantities. Having said that, my objective is to see if my Med app, Easy Med app, will really meet my requirements. So as I'm told, yes, it's a pretty easy app. It's got a very user-friendly look to it. Definitely tells me it's something to do with the doctors. I load my app and I'm straight away taken to this home screen, and it's very clear. There are 3 components. I can see a profile. I definitely need to probably set up, like most other applications, who I am, what's my profile that's relevant to this application, and I can specify the medicines I take and probably go to the settings and do some settings. So maybe I'll just start by saying I click on profile. I want to see what is the information I get or I need to specify as part of my profile. So here I am. So assuming already I have been set up in the system, it shows me my name, my age, my gender and my blood group, which is really important to have in the app, and some of the medicines that have been prescribed. Obviously this wouldn't be there when I log in first time. It would be blank. I can click on edit and go and change my details, or I can just go back if I'm happy with what I have here. I click on edit and I want to see what happens. It gives me more details that I can specify: the name, age and date of birth, age, gender, my blood group, and so on and so forth. So this is how I define. I save and then I go back. So when I go back, it takes me back to my home screen and I get to see this. It's convenient. And from there, now I want to establish the medicines I take. What do? I click on my medicines and I'm shown this particular screen. There are obviously 2 ways to add medicines here, I guess. One is to scan the barcode, which is a convenient way of adding medicines. It just picks up the medicine information based on the barcode, and probably scan my prescription, which is not a bad idea to store it just in case I lose my paper prescription. So what I do is I click on scan barcode. Let me see what happens. I'm taken to this particular screen and there is a very interesting user-friendly tip here, which tells me I should place the camera in front of the barcode, which is a good tip for somebody like me. And what I'm liking already is the consistent user interface that's there. So and also the visibility is pretty good. Given my age, it's better to have bigger font rather than small stuff going there. So I can scan the barcode. It picks up the name and the expiry date, which is already there. And once I've scanned I scan this and I save. I can continue to probably add more medicine. Once I do that, I get to see my list of medicines. These are the tablets, this is the syrups I have, and also the time of the dosage, which is noon, night or afternoon or morning, and I can define that. It's fine, and I can define based on that. I can see the details of the medicine. After this, I just have to quickly go back into my settings. About the notifications, it starts with everything blank, and then I set my notification, the alarm and stuff like that. And just when I need to take the medicine, I get a notification, I click on this and I get to see the medicine that I need to take. The light is there that tells me I take it, and then I place it back. When I place it back, it turns off, tells the system I've consumed it, and the system gives me a remark saying, well done, you've taken your medicine. So it's a very positive reinforcement to the user. It's a good user experience, and then it also reminds me when my medicine stock is going down so that I can place the order.